Hey YouTube, we're at Waterfalls today. I just wanted to vlog a little bit. It's probably not going to be a whole vlog. Wow, I'm really zoomed in on myself. It's probably not going to be a whole vlog, but I'm making a little vlog and I have pictures and stuff, so I hope you guys enjoy. So that was us looking at the falls. We're gonna go up to the top and we're gonna hang out up at the car for a little bit. Yeah, all right, see you guys. Did you like the waterfalls, bub? What? You seen a waterfall? Did you like the waterfall? You want to see another one? Well, we already seen one. Do you want to go see other things?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see other things. This is a pretty place. I need my sunglasses on because it is bright outside. We are out here looking at the train. There's like an old train here, and we're in Dunsmuir Park. That's where we're at. So we're having fun. What is that, Rustin?
Train.
It's a train?
Yeah.
Do you like the train?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh?
White.
What?
White.
You want to ride on it?
Yeah.
It doesn't go anywhere. It's old. Hey YouTube, we just ate at In-N-Out and then we're gonna go home and relax. In-N-Out's over there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this vlog. Let me know if you want more vlogs, and then I will probably make some more vlogs when I'm doing stuff that's interesting, because normally I go to work and then I just come home and I work on videos, so I'm not doing anything interesting. Maybe I could do like behind the scenes of my videos so you guys could see like what I do to set up and create my videos, and it's not really anything interesting, but let me know what you guys want down in the comments below, and give this vlog a thumbs up if you want me to do more. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, because you don't want to miss the vlogs. If you want me to make them, just subscribe so you know when they upload. All right, thank you guys, see ya, and bye.